Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 67 Mustang. There's a 347 stroker under the hood, beautiful jet black paint job. The car was completely restored and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on a lift so you can see just how nice the bottom is. Then we're gonna pop the hood and fire up the motor. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on this Mustang investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this black beauty out. I tell you what, the body man and the paint man on this job definitely knew what they were doing. This jet black paint is slick as can be. Beautiful work. We got great looking chrome, the grille looks great, the hood fits good. It's just an amazing paint job on this car. You're gonna love it when we park this Dream in your drive. It's got the Magnum 500s on it. I think those belong on every Mustang. You can see the door gap here is nice and straight, nearly perfectly flush. We've got good looking stainless here. The paint job on the roof's looking good. Now that door handle looks like it's original to the car. That goes to show us that that's what kind of shape this car was in when they started. Very good shape for that door handle to still look that good since 1967. Now that line there, also looking straight. Look at the interior. Look at the aftermarket gauges in there. They look like stock gauges in there, all in the stock location. They got the machine turned dash in there looking good. The car is an automatic with a C4. It's got a wood steering wheel. The upholstery's in good shape, front and rear. Looks like it's got the fold down back seat in it. All the trims there around the back window. Headliner looks good. The dash pad itself's in good looking shape. Overall, just one beautiful black Mustang here. You can look down that quarter panel. All the reflections are looking great. Got good looking chrome back here. All the stainless looks good. The emblems look good. The trim around the tail lights looks good. It's got the GT gas fill cap on it. Inside the trunk, again, looks brand new in here. Does look like they probably put a quarter extension on it here. They've done a real nice job seaming that up and cleaning it up real nice and neat. You see the trunk floor, wheel wells nice and solid. Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. When you look down the side of the car, straight as can be. No door dings, no scratches. The car is beautiful. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own every one of the cars here at Vanguard. Now we spend the time to check them out before we buy them. When they get here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you have. So please call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now I'm involved in buying every one of these cars here at Vanguard, so I'm gonna help you pick out your dream car. All right, here we go. Mustang time. Black Fastback. It does not get any better than this, guys. This thing is sweet, sounds awesome, driving great, custom dash, beautiful black hood. Look at the reflections. I mean, that looks like a mirror. It is beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this beautiful Mustang anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this Dream in your driveway. Now, if you'd like a little help with financing, We got you covered in the finance department too. Takes about 15 minutes on the phone with the banker, and this dream is as good as in your driveway. No problem whatsoever. Now, Tom makes the process really easy for you. All you have to do is make a phone call. Tom will do all the paperwork. We'll put it in an envelope, send it to your house. We need a signature, and we'll get the ball rolling. No problem whatsoever. Call anytime also. He answers his phone 7 days a week, practically 24 hours a day. And if he does not answer your call, leave him a message. He will call you back. He will even call you back if you do not leave him a message. He will pick you up on caller's ID and give you a buzz right back. Look at that, busting that Yui there. Sounding great too. Listen to the power. I am just touching the accelerator. Now look down here on the dash. Look what a nice job they did. They've got all the gauges right in the stock locations. They've made this nice machine turned dash looking great. Wood steering wheel, aftermarket radio. The car is amazing, guys, and it's a fastback, and it is fast. Now, our shop's right outside the Motor City. We are real close to the airport, so if you would like to come in and visit us and check this car out in person, we would love to have you. Come on out. If you'd like to send an inspector, you can send an inspector too. We will treat the inspector just like you. If you'd like to drive out, we're open on Saturdays till 3 o'clock. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. We do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and well over 200 cars in stock right now. So it may take us a minute to get your favorite car out. We might have to move a few of these beauties. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. At Vanguard, we are very proud of the undersides of our cars. We spend a lot of time checking them out and detailing them. So we're gonna get it up on the lift and we're gonna show you just how nice the bottom is. We're gonna pop the hood, we're gonna talk about the motor, we're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make an informed decision. Now here's our shop, we're at 15100 Keel Street. Stick with us, we're gonna get it in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this Mustang now, and you can see just as pretty under here. We got a brand new tank, brand new exhaust. The drop downs look good. The frame looks good. You always want to check out the frame where these spring shackles bolt up, and it looks like the shackles are new too. Right around the 279 gear in here, and it is an open rear end, so it's a good highway gear. We got new brake lines here. The guys will pull the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. We do have the waffle case. This is an 8-inch rear end. We do have new shocks. It looks like the flex line on the brakes is new. Again, the frame, you want to take a look at the frame where it welds up here to the floor. This is a good telltale sign on the car's condition. We've got good looking pinch welds here. We've got good looking floorboards here. The frame up here looks great. Now these cars, normally these frames are all crushed down from years of floor jacks and everything. These frame members look great. C4 transmission here. This is a 72 model C4, so it's not original to the car. Torque boxes look good. Floorboards, pinch welds, everything looks good up here. We got a stroker motor up here making the power. We got a disc brake set up front here, looking good. The backing plates look new. Lower control arms look new. Ball joints definitely were replaced. Big sway bar up front. Radius arm bushings look good. I mean, everything about the car is nice and clean, looking good. Now, on the wheels here, we got brand new Magnum 500 wheels. In my opinion, the only wheel that belongs on a Mustang, and we got two 15/60 15s up front. We got rocker moldings here, and again, that pinch weld looks good. We got new fuel line running front to back. Out back here, we got a little bit more rubber on the ground. We got two 45/60 15s out back. Same good looking brand new Magnums out back also. Now let's get under the hood and check out that stroker motor. All right, under the hood here, the previous owner tells us 347 stroker, We got Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock intake, Demon 4-barrel carb. That carb is dual feed. We got aluminum water pump, aluminum pulleys. MSD is sending the spark up here to the aftermarket MSD distributor. It's got an MSD coil. It does have power brakes. It is manual steering. Previous owner also states that it is solid rockers in this one. We've got a chrome cross brace here for the shock towers, and look at the paint work here on these shock towers, looking great. Paint work on the firewalls also nice and clean. Paint work on the bottom side of the hood's nice and clean. This is an amazing ride, guys. She's a 67 Mustang Fastback. She's a stroker motor. Drop dead gorgeous, triple black. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.